Hi everyone, you are seeing this video after so long because lately I got married, because of which I was not able to monitor this page continuously. However, now you will be having the content on the regular basis. Let me remind you, last time we discussed the fourth principle of solid, which was interface segregation principle. And in this video, we are going to discuss the last principle of solid design pattern, which is dependency inversion principle. So let's go through the definition of dependency inversion principle first, which says that high level module should not depend on the low level module. Both should depend on the abstraction. I know that from the definition it is not very clear to you. So let me rephrase it in simple word. What we can say, a class should depend on interface or abstract classes rather than the concrete implementation. Let's go through a code snippet and we will try to understand that how that code snippet is violating the dependency of inversion principle. Okay. So consider a use case where we want to build the notification service, and we can have a different kind of notifications like SMS notifications, email notifications, and push notifications for an application. So here, if you see, we have a class called notification service and we have a class called email notification. Inside the email notification, we have a method called send email, which is responsible for sending the email. And inside the notification service class, we are creating an instance of email notification class, and we have another method notify user, inside which we are calling send email method of email notification. So here notification service is a kind of high level module which is depending on the email notification, which is a low level module. Ideally, notification service should depend on any interfaces or the abstract classes rather than the concrete implementation, which is basically email notification. Assume going forward, I want to have a different kind of notification, let's say SMS notification or push notification. In that case, I need to modify this class which exobreaks open and close principle, right? Let's see a code snippet which is actually following the dependency of inversion principle or DIP compliant. So here, what we have done, we have created an interface called notification, which is having a method called send, which is responsible for again sending the notifications. Whatever the notifications, whatever the type of notifications we want, let's say email notifications or SMS notification, that particular class will implement the notification interface and will override the send method and will provide its own implementation, like email notification and SMS notification is doing here. Now, inside the notification service class, what we can do, we can auto wire notification interface as a dependency. Here at runtime, client can decide that what kind of notification clients want to send, whether it could be an email notification or it could be a SMS notification. Okay. And inside the notify user class, instead of giving the concrete implementation, what we are doing, we are calling the send method of notification interface. Okay. So in case tomorrow we will have a different kind of notification, we do not need to modify this class notification service. That's all for this video. Stay tuned